Hi, it's Mike Covitt, and right now I'm going to show you how to create a virtual configuration and deploy it to the operational server using MDM Workbench version 11. The process starts with a fresh workspace, and as you'll see, we've prepared it by creating a connection to the server. We can create a virtual hub configuration with a wizard, basing it off a template. We can edit it and then deploy it to the server in pretty much the same way as we did in version 10, which is not using a CPA deployment, it's using a separate deployment wizard. Okay, on with the action. So here we are inside RAD. We've previously set up this workspace. It's pretty fresh. We've got a connection to the server that we've previously set up. That connects to the unified operational server with both virtual and physical pieces in it. So we'll start by creating a new configuration project. It's a new project. We can find it in the MDM category. And configuration project, there we are. Okay, let's give the project a name. Demo config. There we go. And off we go. We're being asked to start the configuration basing it off one of these templates, and party is the default, so we'll choose that. And it's asking us, do we want to change perspective to the configuration perspective? Yes, normally we do, because we get these extra views when we do that. We've still got the servers view, but we get the jobs view as well, and some other views that are useful when we're changing the configuration. So you'll notice the editor looks fairly similar to how it did in the MDS Initiate and version 10 of the product, but we have a new feature where you can start the editor in basic mode, so you don't have to see everything, and you can create a PME configuration with this, for example, or you can create a simple configuration for the virtual side. But if you want to see all the options again, you can go back to the expert view and get all the options. We've got the usual member types and all the goodness that you'll recognize from the previous release, just presented slightly differently on the left here. There are a few additions that we've made, like handlers and event handling. But overall, I think you'll recognize this as a configuration project that we used to have in MDS and version 10, standard edition. So to deploy this configuration, it's slightly different to how we used to do it, but we still start with a deploy configuration project wizard. And this time round in version 11, we're asking which project you want to deploy and which host you want to deploy. So we're using the servers view that and the connections that we've set up in the standard Eclipse servers view here. We're going to deploy all of the configuration at once. And there we go, we've got a successful deployment to the virtual side, virtual engine. We can just check this progress here. Demo config was successfully deployed. Okay, that's all I was going to show you for this particular demo. Watch out for more demos in this series. Thanks. Bye.